because I've had a lot of problems with South Africa, and they have some very bad policies. Very, very bad policies.
En ek het nou net mooi geland en ek wil julle net bietjie sê, and she's going on about how her first day in America is. You've all left because you think that there's genocide here. There's no genocide here. Nothing.
Yes, we all have concerns, as many other countries in the world have concerns about undocumented and illegal migrants.
You must do what the Ghanaians, Nigerians, Zimbabweans, Malawians, Congolese, Ethiopians, Somalians, Abahambe if you want to go to America. Go. I get genocided here every day. I love the genocide I'm getting here. Right, love? Look at the genocide. Genocide that.